Welcome back to Stoic Crypto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn Bitcoin into cash by sending it from your Xverse wallet back to an exchange like Coinbase, selling it into USD, and then transferring it to your bank account. Nothing I say is financial advice. This is for education purposes only. So you can see right now I have my Xverse wallet open, a little bit of Bitcoin in this, and then I'm going to use Coinbase in this example, but you can use any centralized exchange like Kraken or Binance, whatever your favorite centralized exchange is. It'll work basically exactly the same. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and click on Receive Crypto, which will open up your Bitcoin receive address, right? It says receive. This is the address here. So we're going to simply copy that, and then we're going to open up our Xverse wallet. We're going to go ahead and click on Bitcoin, and we want to send some of this Bitcoin right to Coinbase. So we're going to click on send, and now I'm going to paste in my Coinbase receive address, and I'm going to click next. Select the amount you want to send. I'll just say max. I'm just going to adjust this because I don't actually want to send all of it. So we'll just say that much, which comes out to about $6.50. Looks like the network fee is going to be just over $1. There's going to be a fee anytime you send Bitcoin anywhere, depending on how busy the network is at the time. So we're going to click next. So here's the amount of Bitcoin that I'm sending back to Coinbase. I'm going to go ahead and click confirm. All right, so we have transaction broadcasted, right? So we can go ahead and monitor it here. That will open up mempool where you can monitor the status of the transaction. Right now it's unconfirmed. It shouldn't take long. It says ETA is in 10 minutes. Again, this depends on how busy the Bitcoin network is at the time you are sending the Bitcoin from Xverse back to Coinbase. So if we're looking in Xverse and we click on Bitcoin, you can see transaction history and it's currently sending. So you do have the option to speed it up if you want to. I don't want to do that in this case. So we'll wait for this to complete. I'll pause the video, be right back when it's done. All right, so we have two confirmations. Let's go ahead and check our Xverse wallet. There we go, just changed to sent. Right, so our balance is updated here as well. So I already had some Bitcoin in here, but it looks like we did receive that. Let's just double check. Let's go down to transactions, and you can see that today's August 9th, we received that amount of Bitcoin. So I already had some in here, but we did receive it. Now that you have some Bitcoin in your Coinbase, you can convert this to cash by simply clicking on these three dots and then click sell, and then enter the amount that you want to sell. Let's just say in this case $2. It's going to sell it to USD cash, right? So US dollar, and review order. Sell $2 of Bitcoin to cash. Click sell now. Order submitted. Let's click done. And again, if we go to my assets and then click on cash, you can see we now have $1 in here. So it took $1 fee when we actually converted that. So just keep that in mind. There will be a fee when you sell Bitcoin or any of your crypto to cash in Coinbase. And I'm sure the same thing applies with other centralized exchanges. Now that we have cash in our account, we can withdraw this to our bank account. Click the three dots, click withdraw, and then just enter the amount and select the bank account that you want to send it to. And then click on preview and just say withdraw cash now. And that will send that what was once Bitcoin, now US dollars, to your bank account. So that's how you send Bitcoin from an Xverse wallet back to Coinbase and convert it to cash in your bank. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto tutorials. See you on the next one.